In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sound like Darth Vader using ElevenLabs. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the app, and I'll add tips so you get that deep cinematic character tone as cleanly as possible. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. Head to the official site, then select Login. Sign in securely to your account, and once you're in, go straight to the Voices section. This is where all the voice creation and management happens. Next, click the plus icon and choose Instant Voice Clone. Before you proceed, make sure you have an audio file ready. Use a recording you own or have permission to use, ideally one with clear speech, minimal echo, and no background sound. The cleaner the input, the more convincing the result. Longer, varied samples tend to help the model capture tone and resonance, so a solid, well-recorded clip will pay off. Drag and drop your file to upload. When the upload finishes, turn on Remove Background Noise and click Next. This built-in cleanup can dramatically improve the clarity of the clone, which is essential for a rich, low-end voice. You'll then see a simple labeling step. Under Label, type Language, and in the value field, type English. This helps the system understand what you're targeting. Check the box below to confirm the required terms, then click Save Voice to finalize your clone. After that, choose Generate Speech. In the text-to-speech area, select the new voice you just saved. Now comes the fun part, dialing in the character. Use the audio controls to shape the sound. Speed controls pacing. For a weighty, authoritative delivery, a touch slower can help. Stability affects how consistent the tone is. Raise it to keep the voice steady. Similarity adjusts how closely the output sticks to your cloned vocal timbre. Increasing it can emphasize the bassy core of the voice. Style exaggeration adds dramatic coloration. Use it sparingly to enhance that imposing, helmeted presence without pushing into distortion. Make small adjustments, listen, and iterate. For a Vader-like feel, prioritize a steady tone, a slightly slower speed, and a modest bump in similarity. If the voice starts to sound artificial, pull back on exaggeration and rebalance. Subtle tweaks often make the biggest difference. Lastly, click Generate Speech to hear your final voice. If it's not quite there, refine the settings and generate again until you're satisfied. Remember to use only audio you're authorized to clone and have fun capturing that iconic deep sci-fi vibe inside ElevenLabs.